to 4 more classes because later your implementations will be very hard. So you have to create 4 subclasses of it. But if you insist to do so, then you have to think about now what will be the consequences. Understand now? Understand now? You can, but then what's the purpose? And then the symbol also not correct. Am I right? So this is not an inheritance relationship. Okay, so the notation and then what's the purpose? All right. Secondly, I can say that right, you have type of massage. Is it okay? So your type of massage. How about the pricing and so on? You also have like some kind of like missing over here. Your type of massage, right? So you have some kind of missing attributes. Later you have to add on because it seems that represent massage have more informations. Am I right? Okay, maybe you want to have a more detailed descriptions on that, or maybe you want to add on that stated that this type of massage, how long is it, then the pricing information. Am I right? You don't choose the durations, but it is more on you stated that how long the duration is. All right? Can? You okay with this part? Is it okay for this part? Hey, hello, Erilyn, Kevin. Yeah. All right. I never say cannot lah. All right, but think about lah. What's the difference between each and another? It's just a price, but it's common what? So what is so special about this, and this? Right? So it sure have either method or attributes that highlight the difference. Then you do inheritance. Never say not correct, but is it really applicable in your context? All right. So when you make appointment, right, you have to think about when I make appointment, right? So one massage, why you have make appointment here? Why can't I say that one massage, right, apply to many appointment? So why should you have this one? So my question again, right? So why you shouldn't put everything at appointment here? Okay, you have to remember more classes that you do, more what we call more complex your system is. Later how you write the code to implement all of this. You have to think about it. For me, right? So if you think about the relationship, like example, one massage apply to many appointment. Each appointment maybe only we do currently, we don't do a lot of massage. One appointment, one massage, right? So the relationship is 1 to many here. In the UML notation, you don't do it in ERD notations. So one customers can have many, appointments, massage appointment. So your massage appointment here, you have date, time, and so on. But why is actually is a name of appointment? You learned about ERD before, right? So you can either apply customer object here, massage object here, or massage ID or customer ID here. So it's all up to you, right? Because it will also affect the type of relationship. If you put customer, right, object, so then your relationship will be either aggregations or composition. If you put customer IT, then it may only be a association relationship. Okay, it may be a association relationship only. So it is not up to the. It could be association or dependency only. So we don't have this aggregation or composition. So again, the same things goes to the massage. If I connect massage to appointment, I can be a object of a massage class, all right, or a massage ID. Okay, your massage ID. So because you must have reference, then only I know this appointment is from which customer. So again, here missing attributes. All right, customer ID and name. Is it enough for you? Customer ID and name. So if let's say anything, what happened? All right, appointment, your appointment, the status, if someone cancel, so you don't have the indications of this. So it shows that, okay, incomplete in terms of the attributes, right? Payment, okay. So payment, but how about payment detail? I can actually do a different type of payment, is it? Okay, if not mistaken, you can do a different type of payment. So if this different type of payment, is it you're going to record the payment information? Like example, the total. If you pay by cash, what is the balance? If you pay by card, what is it? Is it I can do this a inheritance relationship under payment? All of this is under your consideration. Again, here I also want to highlight that it's insufficient amount of attributes here, right? And so this one also the relationship here, customer. So member is a kind of customer. And then why, if let's say member is a kind of customer, then why should you have first name and last name? And the duration is for what? Because if not mistaken, the member is lifetime. The lifetime. So that's why it is supposed to be a duration. Okay, is it you have some things like member ID or what? All right, to indicate that this is a member. All right, rather than using first name, last name, and duration. All right, all of these, okay, you have to consider. So that's that. All in all, I will send this one back to you. No worry. Okay, I will send back to Erilyn maybe because Erilyn texted me just now. So you have to review, okay, your relationship. Because if you are association, okay, composition, all right, aggregation, please give me your indications of multiplicity. And also, if possible, give me the name of your relation, all right? So I'm quite strict on this because it is very hard to read. I can't really understand the relationship over here. What kind is it? What I can see is all, for now, is all association. All right. Yeah, it's nothing wrong, but give me multiplicity. Give me appropriate label. All right. So always remember, if composition relationship means that an object of another class will be from another class, right? Object from another class will be a final. The attributes is final. Aggregation is my attributes of my class is the object from another class, but the attributes is not a final type. That's it, right? So that is aggregations and composition implementation. Association, nothing. It's very simple. Dependency is the parameter of my class method, right? It's an object from another class. So that is actually dependency. Okay, so I just let you know all of this clue. If you really need to have some online resources, you can actually text me. I have a link online. I say that. Okay, in Java. Okay, so you can actually refer to, I think that this one should be pretty good for you, right? So you can actually refer to this link, how you implement this association. I think inheritance no issue. This association, composition, and this aggregation relationship, you can refer to this link, how you code it, how it's related among each other. Okay, then other than that, I can see that sufficient. Your class is sufficient. It's just the relationship and the attribute must have improvement. Okay, hold on. Let me repair the diagram a bit before I send it back to you. Okay. Right. Let me repair a bit. So the relationship and revise the attribute. And consider about a correct placement, okay, your inheritance. Not forcing, but revise back on your inheritance relationship. Okay. So see where you want to apply your inheritance. Is it your inheritance is here or your payment type? Right? And here also is supposed to be inheritance. Right? At least your member, here at least your member must be actually inherit from customer. Okay, so you're in again the notations, the notation issue. Okay, anything you want to ask? Anything you want to ask? Anything you want to ask? If no, I just share back to you. Can. All right. So then after you prepare, you can proceed to implementation. If up to you, if you need a further consultation, you can make a booking. If you feel that okay, you're confident already, you can just do implementation. But just all in all of you, this one you still need to finalize. Means that after you implementation, you tally back with your coding. You tally back with your coding. You no need to draw a class represent your main class. I just want these classes that actually support the entire operation. Okay, So it's up to you. You feel need, then we meet. If you don't need, then you can start immediately with the implementation. Because method always change one. You no need to so urgently need to make all of this method happen. All right, all of this make appointment can be made here. Make appointment can be done here. Okay, All right. Okay, I'll send to Aralina then. All right. So thank you for coming. Bye-bye.